Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the top 6 external hard drives in 2025. Whether you are a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone looking for a reliable storage solution, I have got you covered. We will be exploring the best options available this year, highlighting their features, and helping you choose the perfect drive for your needs. So let's get started and find out which external hard drive stand out in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's jump right in. The first one is Western Digital MyBook, Best Overall Desktop Hard Drive. The Western Digital MyBook stands out as the best overall desktop hard drive for a reason. Boosting high capacity options, it's perfect for those who need to store large amount of data, whether for personal use, creative projects, or professional tasks. Its robust and durable design ensures that your data remains safe and secure, while the included WD backup, software, and password protection add an extra layer of scrutiny. The MyBook is also incredibly easy to use, with plug and play simplicity that makes setup a breeze. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating system and offers speedy transfer rates thanks to its USB 3.0 connectivity. Whether you are backing up important documents, storing your multimedia library, or just need extra space, the Western Digital MyBook provides reliable, high performance storage at a great value. Second one is WD Black P10 Game Drive, best portable hard drive for gamers. The WD Black P10 Game Drive is the ultimate portable hard drive for gamers. Designed with gamers in mind, this drive offers high capacity storage ranging from 1 terabyte to 5 terabyte, ensuring you have ample space to store your entire game library. Its compact and durable design makes it easy to take on the go, so you can bring your games with you wherever you go. The drive features a sleek, industrial design that complements any gaming setup, and its high-speed performance ensures quick load times and seamless gameplay. With a USB 3.2 Gen 1 interface, the WD Black P10 delivers fast data transfer speeds, allowing you to get into your games faster. Additionally, the WD Black P10 game drive is compatible with both console and PC, making it a versatile choice for gamers of all kinds. Whether you're looking to expand your storage or take your games on the road, the WD Black P10 game drive is the perfect solution for any gamer looking for reliable and portable storage. Third one is iStorage Disk DT2, best security-minded desktop hard drive. The iStorage Disk DT2 is the pinnacle of security-minded desktop hard drive. Designed to meet the highest standards of data protection, this drive features hardware encryption and a PIN-authenticated access system, ensuring that your sensitive information remains secure. The drive is available in various capacities, from 1 terabyte to 12 terabyte, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. One of the standout features of the Disk DT2 is its hardware-based real-time AES XTS 256-bit encryption, which ensures that your data is always protected. The drive also comes with a built-in keypad for PIN entry, eliminating the need for software installation and making it platform independent. The rugged and tamper-proof design of the Disk DT2 adds an extra layer of security, protecting the drive from physical damage and unauthorized access. It is also compliant with various government and industry regulation, making it an ideal choice for organizations that handle sensitive data. With its combination of high capacity, robust security features, and ease of use, the iStorage Disk DT2 is the ultimate choice for anyone who prioritizes data security. Fourth one is Lexar SL500, best thinnest and lightest external drive. The Lexar SL500 is recognized as the best thinnest and lightest external drive for good reason. With a sleek and ultra-compact design, it easily fits into your pocket or bag, making it perfect for on-the-go storage needs. Despite its small size, the SL500 doesn't compromise on performance, offering fast read and write speeds thanks to its advanced SSD technology. Available in various capacities, the SL500 can handle everything from simple file transfer to larger multimedia projects, Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, and its USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface provide high-speed data transfer, reducing the time you spend waiting for files to move. The Lexa SL500 also features a stylish design that complements any tech setup. Whether you are a professional needing extra storage for work or a student looking for a reliable way to carry your documents, its lightweight nature combined with robust performance makes it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a portable and efficient external drive. Fifth one is WD My Passport Ultra Limited Edition Dragon Best Decorative Portable Hard Drive. The WD My Passport Ultra Limited Edition Dragon is not just an external hard drive, it's a stylish statement piece, combining functionality with an eye catching design. This limited edition drive is adorned with intricate dragon network that sets it apart from the standard models. It's perfect for users who want their tech to reflect their personal style. Despite its decorative exterior, the My Passport Ultra doesn't compromise on performance. With capacities ranging up to 5 terabyte, it provides ample space for our files, photos, videos, and more. The drive also features USB 3.0 connectivity for fast data transfer speed, ensuring that you can quickly backup or access your data. Additionally, the My Passport Ultra comes with WD backup software and password protection, offering an extra layer of security for your important data. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry with you, whether you are heading to the office or on a trip. For those who appreciate aesthetics without sacrificing functionality, the WD My Passport Ultra Limited Edition Dragon is a fantastic choice, blending high capacity storage with unique and striking design. Last one is SanDisk Desk Drive 4x8 TB Best Overall External Hard Drive. The SanDisk Desk Drive 4x8 TB is a standout choice for the best overall external hard drive. With its high capacity options, it offers ample storage space for all your important files. Whether you are a professional needing to backup large projects or a casual user looking to store a vast media library. This drive features impressive performance with USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity ensuring fast data transfer speeds. Its solid state design means it's more durable and reliable than traditional hard drives, and it comes with a sleek, compact form factor that fits easily on your desk. Additionally, the SanDisk Desk Drive includes Acronix True Image software for easy and secure backups, making it a great choice for both Windows and Mac users. Its sturdy build and high-speed performance make it an excellent investment for anyone looking for a dependable and efficient external storage solution. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you found the rundown of the top 6 external hard drives in 2025 useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, tips, and guides. Hit the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the latest in tech innovations. See you in the next video.